Welcome to our guide on how to delete a message on Instagram, ensuring your conversations stay organized and clutter-free. Let's walk through the steps together. To start, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, locate and tap on the messenger icon, which is typically found in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your inbox. Next, navigate to the conversation that contains the message you wish to delete. Once you've found the conversation, go ahead and open it to access the messages within. Now, identify the specific message you want to remove and tap and hold on it. This action will trigger a bar to appear at the bottom of the screen, providing you with options to manage the message. To delete the message, look for the Unsend option within the bar and tap on it. By selecting Unsend, you'll effectively remove the message from the conversation. Before finalizing the deletion process, you'll be prompted to confirm your action. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to confirm and complete the deletion of the message. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily delete messages on Instagram and maintain a clean and organized inbox. Keep your conversations streamlined and clutter-free with these simple actions. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.